Hello everyone, I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this right here is Roxy Rose Guides, cash stuffing of our savings challenges for the month of March 2026. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. Y'all, if you hear a little, baby in the background, you know who it is, all right? It is the owner of Moo Cow Don't Bother Me, Caleb. So he's in the back just, making noise while his sister is sleeping and taking a nap. Thank God. Y'all, is there anybody out there that is a mother of a son and their main mission in life is to make sure, my main mission in life is to make sure that my son becomes a respectable gentleman. I want him to have a full family with the love and the life of anything that I could dream of, and where he is a respectable man that is a gentleman to woman. That's what I want. So I am trying to start even as young as 7 months to make sure that he's not spoiled and doesn't think that he can come to mommy and do whatever he wants. I don't know if anybody else has that in their mind, and I'm just starting, so it's not like, I don't have all the answers or anything. But is there anybody else out there that's yeah, you're a boy mom, or you have a boy, a son, and you want to kind of do something different? Because I'm tired of the rhetoric about a mama bear, or people mothering their sons to the point where they don't know how to be independent, they don't know how to treat women, and they don't know how to do things that's gonna potentially help them in the future. Is anybody else like me? Anyway, just a thought. Anyway, today we are not here talking about that. We're actually here trying to talk about cash stuffing these savings challenges. That's right. I'm trying to get credit card debt free. And one of the ways I'm trying to do that is do these savings challenges. So let's get into the savings challenges. Let me fix my setup so we can begin. All right, let's take out some cash from the bank. Let's see, it's out of order. So let me put it in order really quick. Bam. All right, so let's go ahead and count it and see how much we are stuffing today. We have, bam. All right, so let's go ahead and count it out and see how much we have. We have 1, 2, 300, 50, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600. So $600. 600, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So $645. It's very close to last time. Last time was 655. This is 645. Okay. All right now. So we have the money on the side. Let's go ahead and stuff our savings challenges. Oop. And I can't forget this one. It's last but not least, okay? So we have our 50 envelope savings challenge that I'm going to put over here because definitely need to make sure I do that challenge, okay? In fact, I always forget this one, so maybe I should do this one first before I do anything else. I'll think about it. I'll probably do it last. All right. I did not get to finish my February one, so I'm actually going to start with this one and then continue, okay? I know I'm going to do another one in March because I got my tax refund. So I'll go ahead and finish this one. So I have $40 and $15. I don't know why I didn't finish. That is my fault. Y'all don't blame me. You know what? It's okay if y'all blame me because I probably should have done it. Okay? But now I have finished, and now I'm going to go to my March. And for March, I'm going to do $20, at least for the first week. Yeah, let's get 1 week done, right? I'm going to do $20, which is my rainbow at the top here. Okay, so now I did March. And now let's go over to, remember my student loan debts. I'm trying to pay it down. Pay it off. So here, this one is $50. So I'll go ahead and definitely take out $50 to pay this, put towards this. All right, then we have a 3-month savings challenge, y'all. I'm so behind, but yeah, I'm gonna catch up. I'll figure it out. Let's see. I think I'm going to do just one for today, you know, and then I'll do the rest later. What would happen if I put 100 in there? I have 300. I'm gonna put 100 and take out how much would be left, which is what, 23? Let's see what I have here. 23. I could take 25. 23, 25, and put back 2. There we go. All right, so I can do. That's just one of them. Yep. Hopefully my math is right. That is one of them. $77. Okay. Okay. Awesome. So now, self-care, which we're almost done with. Love to go ahead and take this and go to a spa. $15. So $15. So I am done with this challenge. $15, and hopefully that is enough to go ahead and let me go get something. I'm gonna go on Groupon. I know y'all haven't heard of Groupon in a long time. Y'all don't sleep on them. They still got Groupons, okay? Or something like that. I'll see what I can do. Then we have my favorite one, which is Save-Opoly. Let's see what we can do with Save-Opoly. Let's shake it up, shake it up, shake them. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is $20. Okay. All right. Since we landed on this, can we shake it again? That's the problem. Let's see. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Collect 100. Ooh. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. Well, guess what? We gotta save. So let's stop right there. Okay. The board's telling me to stop right there. So I'm gonna stop right there. All right. And that's enough for Save-Opoly. Love Save-Opoly. And we have our 1K challenge. 1K challenge, we're gonna save $25. If I have extra in the end, I'll go ahead and definitely put some more. You know what? I already know I have enough to do something extra. So I'm gonna put $50. 25 and 25 equals 50. I'm gonna just add that over there. Just try to get this 1K done. Okay. And then we have the loan payoff challenge. Uh-oh. I owe you $10. Uh-oh. Okay. So I must have $10. So that's good to know. And then also $20. I could also put a good and $20 there. $40 into that. Okay. And I still don't have enough to add for my subbies. This sucks, but listen, I haven't been as consistent as I want to, but I'm trying to get more consistent. So I hope you guys are watching these videos. Please watch my next video where I'm definitely going to go into what I do with my tax refund. And we're going to see how we fill up these envelopes. Okay. Let's see what else we can do with this. Oh, let me not forget my savings challenge that y'all can get on Etsy, my 50 envelope savings challenge. I love to fill this one up. What can I do today? Let's see. I can do 49. I can do 49. Let's try to do 49. Oh, I can only do 48. Okay. So I can do 48. You know what? I'm not going to do 48. I'm going to do $50. And I'm going to put that for 49. Because the the higher ones are the ones that's hardest to fill. So I'm not gonna sit there and just try to, I'm gonna take what I have, so it's at 50, and put it for 49. Okay. I'm gonna try to do the other ones that I can. 25. 30. Let's try to do 30. And let's do 10. And let's do 3. All right. I'm gonna take a break from this one since we still got some extra. We got about $115. So let's see, we could definitely go ahead and do, I don't want to do this one. It's not gonna be enough. Hey, be careful. I'm gonna exchange this for one of the 50s. It's gonna end up being like $100 altogether. It only ends up being 70, so I'm not gonna do this one. That one's done. I really want to roll, but I'm not sure what's gonna come out if I roll, and I don't want to go to jail. So let's do the 1K and the debt payoff. Let's do that. So I'm gonna do 2 of these for the 1K, and then this one's 15. Oh, I don't have enough. All right, so I can't do that one. I can put it into my 50 envelope savings challenge. I'm sure I have 15 open. Yes, I do. I'm gonna put 15 right here. So we're starting to fill up this challenge, which is great. I hope you guys have an amazing, stop. I hope you guys have an amazing and wonderful March. I hope you guys are feeling lucky, you know, going into those lucky, or I hope you felt lucky this past week, because I know St. Patrick's Day happened. People are feeling really lucky, and I hope that you guys have an amazing and wonderful March. It's gone back. The weather was like 80 degrees last week, and now it's back to like 40 degrees. So I don't know what's happening to this weather, why it's going back and forth. It's really annoying. But I pray you guys have an amazing and wonderful time, y'all. I'm excited because I'm starting to go back to my event planning, decor, balloon decor, and event rentals. My business that I started on the side, Chic Unique Events. Check it out if you're interested. But yeah, I started that again, and I just got a rental, so I'm super excited. Please go ahead and let me know what you are planning for this upcoming spring. Yes, spring is around the corner, and even though it's March, it kind of seems early. I still need to figure out like how I'm gonna plan for the spring. I can't wait for spring break. My spring break is early this year. It's going to be at the end of March. So I'm going to be taking that week to just recalibrate everything. I need to clean my whole house. I need to deep clean. I need to spring clean. I need to get everything out that I don't need. You see? I told you to stop. You're going to hurt yourself. Stop. That's why you don't do that. Please stop. My goodness. Mommy's recording and you're over here just slamming your hand and stuff. Here's the baby, y'all. Anyway, you guys take care. God bless. And Roxy Rose out. It's okay.